I have bought a 180 watt mono PERC solar panel to build a DYI ham radio off-grid power supply, meaning that it is a monocrystalline passivated emitter and rear cell solar panel. Along with it, I have bought a charge controller and a 12 volt 65 Ah sealed lead acid battery. Here is a video clip of the charge controller which is needed to control the charging of the SMF battery. First set of terminals are for the solar panel, second set for the battery, and subsequent sets for load to be connected here. Positive and negative terminals have been marked and corresponding pictures are seen beside the ports. Symbols which are self-explanatory can be seen better in this still image. Screws seen in the holes can be loosened to connect the wires on the connectors seen below that on the adjacent side. This is a magnified view of two jumpers strapped on the rear side. These are needed to enable dusk-dawn mode and SMF charging mode. They have to be installed on the printed circuit board. In order to open the cabinet, 4 latches on the rear side like this have to be released. Latch can be released by pressing it with the tip of a screwdriver while trying to lift the lid with the other hand. All 4 latches have to be released to remove the rear lid. 2 sets of terminals for attaching the jumpers can be seen on one side of the PCB, JP2 and JP3. I have attached the jumper on JP3 as I am planning to use an SMF battery. JP2 terminals can be seen as bare beside it. In addition to the ports seen earlier, there is a USB port on the side for connecting a mobile charger directly to the charge controller. Shall post more details when this device is put into service.